praises, Lord, in all that I do. You're the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. You are worthy of my praises, Lord. From here I sin, and by your stripes, Lord, I am healed. I walk by faith, Lord, and not by how I feel.
Holy, you are the most high God, my Redeemer.
Holy Jesus, you are the most high God.
Holy, you are the most high God.
Holy Jesus, you are the most high God.
Holy Jesus, you are the creator of the heavens.
Holy Jesus, you are the most high God.
You are the creator of the heavens, creator of the heavens.
Holy Jesus, you are the most high God.
Oh, my Redeemer, the lily of the valley, the father of the fatherless. You are the most high God. You are the King of kings and the Lord of lords. The I am that I am, Jesus. Hey. Holy Lord, Holy Lord.
You are the most high. You are the most high God. You are the most high. I worship you today.